Okay, we're going to draw a dog and a cat that are friends looking over a little wall. So it's going to be pretty cute. So to start, we need a few kind of medium small ovals. We're going to put one over here on the edge, and we're not going to put it up high. We're going to try and keep it towards the bottom of the page, around here. Okay, then we're going to move into the middle, and we're going to make two of these that are next to each other. Okay, and then we're going to put the last one over here on this side. So I tried to keep them all the same size, and we want to spread out that way. Okay, so now we're going to make a line that goes like it's going to go through them, but you stop and you continue it in between them instead. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to make a top of a circle that starts at that oval and goes to the other side. And then we're going to do it on this side also. Okay. Okay, in each of these little ovals we started with, we're going to make two lines. Okay, on top of this bump we made, we're going to make this the cat. So we're going to give it triangle ears. One on this side, and one on this side. And then we're going to do it again inside to make the inner ear. So you can probably start to tell what's happening now. They're like peeking over with their little paws. So for the kitty's face, we're going to need a triangle with the point going down for the nose. And for the mouth, if you have room, you could put a little W mouth. If you don't have room, you can just leave it so its mouth is hidden. But I have room, so I'm putting a little W mouth. Okay, and then we're going to make two big circles for the eyes. And inside those, we're going to make another circle. And inside that, even more tinier, a little circle on each corner like that. Okay, and then you color in this one. Okay, let's do the puppy. So the puppy's ears are not going to be pointy, they're going to be a curve. And then you're going to go down, if you have room. And then curve back up. And then that little gap there, you're going to finish the ear. Okay, now for the puppy's nose, we want an oval. And if you have room, you can put the W mouth. And the eyes, just like on the kitty. Okay, so then you could go on to color. I want to add a few more details though. So you can add these, or you can change up the fur if you want a different pattern. So first on the puppy, I'm going to put little dots above the W. And on the kitty, I'm going to make some zigzags to give him stripes. And lastly, I'm going to make a spot around the puppy's eye so he could be a spotted puppy. Okay, you could of course add more decorations in the background and color it.